Ayike guys, istory siyaqhubeka. UMusa Khawula uphinde waposta futhi wathi meet DJ Zinhle's worst nightmare, Kimberly, otherwise known as Kayling to her age mate. Uthi ke DJ Zinhle is 42 years old. Meanwhile, Kimberly is 22 and Meda is 38. Kimberly is from Klerksdorp by Sundowns training grounds and currently staying in Midrand and had been a Baltic girl at Coffee Midrand. Kimberly had attended school at Northam Park High School. Meanwhile, DJ Zinhle had schooled in the middle of nowhere in KwaZulu-Natal. Umusa uyadelela guys. Wase-ke efaka isithombe sakhe-ke lo Kimberly wakhona guys. Hayibo mase kuphuma ney'thombe. Shuthi lento ngabe iqiniso yini guys, ngifuna ukusho futhi ukuthi this is alleged. Yazi ukuthi uMusa akashongo laphana and uMusa mesho something akasho ukuthi alleged, and isikhathi esiningi uMusa mangabe esho something usuke eqinisile but angisho ukuthi uqinisile this time. Cabanga phela ngoba khona ovele wadi uMusa Khawula wathi nje Musa, you are not lying about Meda. He wanted my Zimbabwean friend too. This happened last year. Hayibo guys, abafana baze bas embarrass guys. Yo Meda. Okay guys, ake check ama comments bona abantu bebethini. Uthi lona varsity student Kimberly is a Baltic girl host at Coffee Midrand. Mase wahleka. Mhlambe phela uyaba icoffee, uyaba iBaltic girl ebusuku, mase mhlambe ebusuku emini ka hambe ke ayofunda. Mhlambe kwenza ku2 guys. You will never know. Athi lona no, she doesn't deserve this. Guys, akekho umuntu odeserve ukuchithelwa. Akekho. Like honestly. She even bought a car for this man. Yo abafana. Hey. And guys, yo ngabe birthday yakhe uMeda uDJ Zinhle wamthengela leya moto engazi nokuthi yini igama layo, but I'm sure iyabiza, and she surprised him. Hey ngoba nithusa ukuthi people cheat. Cha mfethu asithukile phela, kodwa sithukile. Uyazi phela ukuchitha kufana nokushona bakwethu, into eyenzakala kodwa manje engajwayeleki futhi ethusayo. Awukahle wena. Hawu uthi lona that time uZinhle be dressing so childish for her age for uguy, but yo abafana will disappoint you. Hayi ke guys, nisho ukuthi kanti indlela agqoka ngayo ugqoke hayibo, mina ngitshela ukuthi uDJ Zinhle indlela agqoka ngayo just because of umzimba wakhe emncane and izinto lezi ayigqokayo ngoba ilezi zinto lezi ezifanele umzimba wakhe. Uyabona, bengazi ukuthi kanti ninendaba nina. Yo athi lona I hate this for uZinhle Shembandla, yazi ngathi nje love girl uZinhle angaze ngezwe nangelodi la ngathi uDJ Zinhle uyachitha. Kodwa phela abafana behlezi becheater, not thina. Anyway, uthi lona Zinhle must leave umjolo. She's too powerful, makes men feel small, so they go charm their small girlfriends so they can feel like men. I low-key agree with this comment. One thing about Musa Khawula, he tells no lies. That is why he don't say allegedly in his stories, and he doesn't. Guys, uMusa isibindi saMusa. uMusa nje ngekudala lokho uMusa bese ejele botshela kulezi istories zakhe ayibhalayo. But usephumile ejele uphinda futhi uyabhala akabafaki allegedly. One thing about uMusa, hayi bandla. Hayi ngiyamvuma mina. Athi lona one thing about Musa, he never lie. And guys uMusa, engabe uMusa lezi indaba uyithatha mina sengifisa ukwazi guys. One thing about Musa, there's always some truth to what he says. Ngiyavuma nami into engithi ngivumela nale comment is because izinto eziningi aseyishilo in the past zivela ziyiqiniso as time goes. So akukho kulula ukuthi simkhole izinto ayishoyo. Athi lona people must relax. DJ Zinhle will not leave her marriage. It's fine. It's okay. Like nami angisiboni isizathu sokuthi usho umshado wakho just because umuntu wakho uyakuchithela. I don't think nami I'll do that. Ngishiya umuntu wami just because uyangichithela. Ngizomthatha apho ungachithi guys, liyabhuba. Bonke labantu bayachithi. Athi lona Musa can tell a joke but a lie soze ke sana, and akajwayele uMusa ukhuluma into eyamanga, but asazi guys. As I wish it didn't come from Musa Khawula. I want to defend my favorite couple so bad, but Chomi never lies, and everyone is saying the same thing. Kushubile. Atilona, that is why DJ Zinhle makes him wear AKA's t-shirts. Usile. Ah. How? I can. Trust Musa Khawula to bring receipts, and he always does. That time, DJ Zinhle is such a lover. And guys, Tina, as women, guys, we're such lovers. In most days, we are such lovers. We believe in indoda. We believe in marriage. But I'm a daughter will. You know what? Let's move to the next one. Ati Musa Khawula and being a private investigator #1 and udinga i-award engabe kuthiwa Musa Khawula lezi ndaba engangabe siyithathaphi ngoba phela siyayithanda indaba zabantu siyazithanda nje and Musa Khawula uyasitshela zona athi lana une-type Kimberly unebubhestinyana so lo ufuna ukuthi uKimberly unabo nje uDJ Zinhlinyana kusho ucisha afana noDJ Zinhle kancane nje I don't agree with that. They look way too different. Lezi ithombe za AKA igcwele umuzi wabo ziyambasela lo mjitha. Guys, this is funny, but it's not funny. But I'm sort of clear because wow, this is funny. But the situation is not funny. Umntwana uyachithelwa la. But le comment uyahlekisa. Uthi lona hlukana neindaba zabantu, ngithi phuma eindabeni zabantu. Angeke sizikwazi ukuphuma eindabeni zabantu. I'm sorry. Lokho nje angeke sizikwazi ukwenza. Hey, cause yeah, imagine being killed by someone who don't have teeth. Ayini guys yini. Akanawo amazinyo. No, what do you mean akanawo amazinyo? Amazinyo wayenawo ukuthi ayengekho right and then uDJ Zinhle wahamba wayomlungisa amazinyo. Hayi ukuthi akanawo. What do you mean? Okay guys, that's it from me okwamanje. I will see you on my next video. Please do subscribe.